Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Supplementary, a very beautiful supplementary, interesting to learn about it. Naya, the home of Chitrahas. Now let us see something about this place and the artwork which they have done and the work which they are continuing right now. About a 3-hour drive from Kolkata, the quaint Naya village is every art of aficionado's paradise. The village is home to the traditional Bengali painters called Patwas or Chitrahas, who are known for their specialized narrative scroll paintings known as Patachitra. These paintings depict the mythological stories of Mahabharata and Ramayana to tribal folklore as well as social messages and contemporary happenings. While in the earlier times the path was wandered from village to village, singing, performing, and educating the masses all at once, today the art form has percolated down to being just a painting. These colorful paintings come in different shapes and sizes, from rolled paintings to square and rectangle shaped ones. They are a delight to the viewer's eyes. These paintings are as sustainable as they can get. They are done on multiple sheets of poster papers stitched together to form the canvas. Plant based colors mixed in coconut shells are used to bring them to life and so as to give longevity to the painting. A thin cotton cloth is glued to the back of the painting. In fact, when you walk into Naya village, you are bound to feel like having walked straight into an art gallery. The walls of the painters' houses too are done up in striking colors, all telling a story. Even painted wooden souvenirs such as vases and decorative hangings are seen strewn around the boat of their houses or the shops. A group of Pathwas has taken Pathachitra's creation to an art form in Naya village in Pingal block of West Midnapur. At Naya, the Pathwas create mainly rectangular and square shaped paintings of different size. Only one or two Pathwas make long roll scrolls of up to 20 feet or more. A few of them sing, but mostly on demand, addressing geopolitical events like the 1911 attacks and movies like Titanic, in addition to events from folklore and epics. The artists have rendered themselves relevant to newer generations. Social messages like conservation of trees and AIDS awareness also figure in their paintings. A patha is created by painting on multiple sheets of commercial poster paper stitched together to form the canvas. Plant based colors and lamp black are mixed in coconut shells with the sap of the wood apple tree. which acts as binder. After finishing, a thin cotton cloth is glued to the back of the paintings to provide longevity. The Pathwas also makes painted wooden and paint their house walls with striking colors. That is what that we saw just before also. Now let us see something about this lesson from the book. This is what we saw in short, what they are doing in their village, how they are painting, how they take the colors and how they stick the cloth and so on, and what awareness they give to the people. Naya is a quaint little village in West Bengal's Midnapur district. However, it is not an ordinary village. Around 250 Pathwas and Chitraghas or artists live there. These folk artists are painters, lyrics, singers, and performers all rolled into one. They practice an ancient folk art called Pattachitra. This is a type of storytelling using painted scrolls. The scrolls have stories painted on them and the artists sing the story as they unroll the scroll. This art has been practiced since the 13th century. Traditionally, such storytellers took their painted scrolls from village to village. In every village, they unrolled the scrolls frame by frame and sang Bataka or the story songs. In return for their performance, the villagers gave them rice, vegetables, and money. As they sing, the people were giving vegetables and money and rices. Their stories include mythological stories and tribal folklore. Nowadays, the artists sing a social message and contemporary events as well. Social message, the awareness were given to the people through their art and through their singing. Over time, however, people lost interest in this art form and few artists and few listeners. After some time, they were losing the art form and the people were very people were remaining to listen. To keep their art alive in the modern world, the Pathwas adopted their skills and themes to the time. According to the science of the time, they were adopting the themes and the skills. An innovative step they took to do this was to establish a Pattachitra village at Naya. Innovative means very creative skills they were taking up. Slowly, the efforts to revive their artist heritage started paying off. Today, the Pattachitra art is flourishing again in the village, with village young sisters taking up in traditional art form as a passion and profession. So now, those time it was drying off this art, but now because of their creative skills and innovative work, the young sisters started to take this as a passion and profession. A traditional patha was painted on a canvas made of jute fiber. Now it is made by stitching together sheets of commercial poster paper. They stitch together and display it on the wall to be noted by all the people. The colors came from plants such as marigold, indigo, teak leaves, saffron and turmeric. They also use lamp black. The colors are mixed in coconut shells with a sap of the bel tree which acts as a glue. After finishing, a thin cotton cloth is glued to the back of the painting so that it will last long. So after painting, they were sticking a cloth at the back so that it can remain stiff. Next, the completed scrolls are dried in the sun before they are stored in rolled up bundles. Before making a bundle, they were drying in the sun. Today, the pathways make rectangular and square-shaped paintings of different sizes. Social messages like conservation of trees. Don't cut the trees. We have to save the trees. Female infanticide. Not to kill the female. You have to take care of the females. Child trafficking and AIDS as a cat awareness figure in their paintings. All this awareness was given in their paintings. They also paint images of traditional subjects such as cat eating a lobster or fish, tigers, rows of cows, or white owls. The pathwas today to do not make too many long scrolls. Nowadays they are not making too many long story scrolls. They make it short. A few of them still sing their self-composed songs, but only on demand. According to the demand, few of them they sing the songs right now also. The Patachitra art tradition was traditionally passed down from father to son, but today many Patwa women have also taken up the craft. Now, when the fathers do, if they are a doctor, the work is passed on to the son. The same way here also the traditional work was passed on to the son, but nowadays the ladies also taking up this craft work under an initiative art of livelihood. Some of these women are leading local development. Women also doing well. Since 2010, an annual 3 days festival Port Maya has been held to celebrate the success of the local artist. They celebrate the 3 days. They display their artwork so that the people can come to see and buy it. Held in November every year, the festival exhibition modern painting as well as scrolls dating back hundreds of years. Now, November 3 every year on November they display it, so that hundreds of years back also what had happened, or right now what is happening, all that is painted and displayed. At this time the villagers paint the mud walls of their houses with colorful Patachitra motif and hang scrolls on ropes in their courtyards. On their walls also it was painted, so all the scrolls also they hang it on the courtyard. They also clean up the surroundings and decorate the entire village with the flowers to get ready for visitors. They decorate the village even when the festival comes or any function takes place. You also decorate your house and the villages and the road. Okay, in the same way these people also keeping ready for the visitors to visit and buy it. As there are no hotels in the village, the Pathwas house the visitors in their own homes and in the tent. There are no hotels in the village, so they make their houses as a visitors to stay. During the festival, the quiet hamlet is transformed into a vibrant cultural club where visitors can learn about the craft and Patachitra. So the visitors can learn from them the art by staying there. Several workshops are held, stories are told, and different types of Patha workers are displayed for sale. Musical and dance performance by well-known artists start in the evening and go on well into the night. In the evening they start their artwork and it goes on to the night also. The Pathwas hold demonstration on natural colors, extraction and sources. Watching a Pathwa singing gently as he or she unfolds the scrolls in an unforgettable experience. A play of light and shadow from the oil lamp on the soft colors and delicate imaginary of the paintings is magical. If you are interested in traditional art and craft, do visit this unique village. It will be a delightful experience in a beautiful rural settings. If you are interested children, it is nice to visit that village and you can be there for few days in order to learn those art and the singing, how they are performing, what they are doing, all that things you can learn it. and how they are preparing the colors to paint it, and the glue, and whatever things they were doing, and you can learn it from them if you stay there and learn it. Okay, this is what all about Naya, the home of Chitragarh. It is a beautiful art depicting the earlier time and according to the science of the time that is going on right now, and they are giving a beautiful awareness to the people. Thank you.